guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show to you how to promote Phalaenopsis orchid to branch out, and here I have a very good example. This is a newly purchased orchid, and it is the white Phalaenopsis with a very big flower and the yellowish lip, let's say. She is in quite good condition. She doesn't have a lot of leaves, but other than that she is healthy. She has a good root system, the bark is rather fresh, so that is very nice. Now here I have a spike. I hope you can see it. It is starting to dry up, and I know this orchid can branch out, and I don't want to lose the spike. I have purchased it with it already yellowing. I paid for it €1, so that is quite something. And usually if the spike would have still been green, I would have told you to number the nodes, and to see from the tip from the spike you have the places where the blooms have fallen, and then you have the first node, and in normal conditions you should have cut somewhere around here, just above the first node. But because my spike is already yellowing, it is absorbing its energy. Even in here would be too up, because this part is light green in color, and that is not her color, her good color. So I would cut somewhere in here. So let me change hands. I will take the clip and release a bit the spike. Here I have a pair of sterilized pruners, and I will cut exactly here. And as you can see, my cut is very green. It is not yellowish, because if this would be yellowish, I would cut even on the next node. I would still have one more node here, or even 3 nodes. Look at that. But when you are doing that, in about 2 weeks maximum, you will see the node starting to swallow, and then it will produce a new spike, a branch, or a cakey. Now I'm not sure what this orchid will do, but I want her to preserve this spike. I think would be very nice, because I'm pretty sure that next season she will bloom again. Now I have a very interesting tutorial to do with this orchid. I want to show to you how I would grow orchids in waterculture. I know now it is a very popular topic, so I really want to touch base on it as well, because I have some interesting and original ideas, I think, about this, because I never saw on internet somewhere mentioned those things. But let's come back to our tutorial. Here I will spray the orchid wound with a bit of hydrogen peroxide, and then I will place a bit of cinnamon with a Q-tip, making sure that it is not falling down on the roots or on the leaves, because it is a very good antifungal agent, but it is also a powder that dries up very fast the tissues, and we don't want that. We just want this cut wound to sterilize very well. So alright guys, this has been the video for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!